Okay, we have some pretty short notes today. I'm just doing these two examples with you, and then the rest will be your assignment for today. But let's look at this first example. It says the Band Booster Club is selling t-shirts and blanket wraps to raise money for a trip. The band director has asked the club to raise at least $1,000. So $1,000 is their goal. The Booster Club president wants to know how many t-shirts and how many blanket wraps the club needs to sell to meet their goal of $1,000. The t-shirts cost $10 each. So right there, I'm just going to put 10x. And the blanket wraps cost $25 each. Write a linear equation that describes the problem and then graph the linear equation. And then afterwards we'll answer that question, how can the Booster Club president use the sales price of each item to meet the goal? So right now I do not have an equation, I have an expression because I don't have an equal sign. It needs to equal our goal, which is $1,000. Now I have this in standard form already, so that means in order to graph it, I'm just going to find the x and y intercepts. And hopefully you remember how to do that. So basically if I plug in 0 for the y, I'm just left with 10x equals 1,000. And if I plug in the 0 for the x, that leaves me with 25y equals 1,000. Divide both sides by 10. X equals 100. So that point is going to be 100, 0. And over here, divide by 25. Y equals 40. So that point is going to be 0, 40. Okay. I'm going to come over here to the graph and graph these lovely things. They want you to label the axes. So this one over here is number of wraps sold. And this one down here is the number of t-shirts sold. Okay, so 100, 0 is going to be right here. And 0, 40 is right here. I don't have a ruler, so I'm just going to try my best. And the lines stop at the dots. They do not need the arrows at the end or anything like that. And then how can the Booster Club president use the sales price of each item to meet the goal? The president can use the line to see the possible combinations that must be sold to reach the goal. Okay, let's look at the second one. A sandwich shop sells sandwiches for $5 each and bottles of water for $1 each. The owner of this shop needs to earn a total of $100 by the end of the day. Write a linear equation that describes the problem, then graph the linear equation. Make sure to label both axes with appropriate titles, then use the graph to determine how many sandwiches the shop must sell if no waters are sold. Okay, so 5x plus 1y, you don't really need the 1 there, but whatever, equals $100 is the goal. So I'm going to find the x and y intercepts. So 5x equals 100 and 1y equals 100. So divide both sides by 5. X equals 20, so that point is 20, 0. Over here, it's just y equals 100, and that would be 0, 100. Okay, so the x-axis, that is going to be the number of sandwiches sold. And over here on the y-axis is the number of waters. Whoops. That says waters. There's an R in there somewhere. There. Okay, so I'm going to graph 20, 0 is right here, and 0, 100 is right here. Well, close enough. Let's see, how many sandwiches the shop must sell if no waters are sold? So waters are here. If you're at 0 waters, that means you're going to have to sell 20 sandwiches. So if no waters are sold, I can't spell today. Sandwiches must be sold. And yes, there's an E in there between the H and the S. You can't really see it, but I promise it's there. That is it for your notes. Your assignment is the rest of this bottom of the page and then all of the back page. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it.